Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 BMW. Stock number is A7122. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Pirelli tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside you have cruise as well as audio controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this BMW on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.